Hello everyone, and today we are going to be making a setup for a hyper-casual game, so that will include lighting, a skybox, and some rendering settings. For this tutorial, we will use Unity and some packages from the Unity Asset Store. You can find my project in the link below with all the necessary information, and let's get right into it. So first we are going to create a new project and select the 3D mobile template. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it hyper-casual setup. Next, click on Create Project and wait till the project is loaded. Change the resolution of your game to 1080x1920 and set it to portrait mode. Now go to the Unity Asset Store and download this wonderful skybox. In Unity, go to Package Manager and import the package. Once the package is imported, open up the Lightning tab. You can find it under Window and Rendering. Go to Environment and change the skybox material to the one we've just imported. We imported 3 skybox materials, but I'm going to use the Skybox Cube Map Extended Day. Now double click on the material to locate it and open it in the inspector. I will turn to the fog and change the position of the skybox. I'll also let the rotation enabled, but you can disable it if you want so. Next, we will change some light settings, so open the directional light object and set the color to white. Then change the light strength to 0.75 and set the shadow resolution to very high. Go back to Lightning and create a new Lightning asset if you haven't done this yet. Turn of the baked global illumination and turn on the real-time global illumination and click Generate Lightning. You go to Project Settings and delete every setting except for Ultra. After that, change the pixel light count to 3 and change the anti-aliasing to 8x. Now we will add a road texture, but this is not required if you want. So import the road image from my GitHub page, link down below, and change the texture type to sprite. Let's also make a material for the sprite and drag the image to the albedo. Also set the metallic and smoothness to 0. Go back to the Unity Asset Store and search for the path creator. Download the package and import it to the game. Once it is set up, open the road scene and copy the road creator and the road mesh holder. Then go back to the main scene and paste the objects. Create a new empty game object and name it road, and make the other 2 game objects childs from it. Now we have to change the road creator. Change this setting. Delete all the spheres except for the starting one and the last one. You can do this by first clicking on one sphere, and then you hold Shift while clicking the delete on your keyboard. After this, press Ctrl Z to bring the road creator back. Now change the angles to 0 and reset the road creator transform. You can tweak around with these settings as you like. Once you are ready, go to your road texture and change the wrap mode to repeat and change the filter mode to point, and don't forget to apply. Then, select your road creator and drag your road material into the road material. Now you can tweak around with the material tilling as you like, and I changed the camera transform. We are finally ready with our setup. You can find all the files on my GitHub page, linked down below, as well as the road texture. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.